Maury Hosen here with Silver Lining Auto Restoration. Here we are at the Portland Roadster Show 2024. Uh, got the invite and first time we were there, so it was kind of cool to kind of show our Volkswagens off. They were definitely a hit. I know a lot of muscle car, a lot of hot rods there, but we brought the Volkswagens and it was definitely it was cool to show our stuff. Here's Scott Meyer's 1954 oval that we did the bodywork and paint on. Um, High-end build. I mean, I believe 6 to 8 coats of clear on this bad boy, 3 coats, and then sanded that down, 3 more coats, and then cut and buff it. Fun build, definitely. Always cool doing builds for Scott Myers. Here's the interior. We installed the headliner for him. I believe he did it the first time and right before the show. Moise at West Coast Classic Interiors knocked that out the day before, night before actually, and got it done for the show, so that was kind of cool. I believe it's on airbags. Super clean. That's the crotch coolers right there. I know they're not original to the vehicle, but he wanted us to put them in. Safaris from Jeremy Brooks at Loose Nuts. Definitely the best Safari windows. Has some cool rear view mirrors on there. Custom lights. Aussie trim. Here's a 1965 double cab, semi-custom, also on air ride. Air rides from Nate at Wagons West. Best suspension you can get on the market, in my opinion. He's definitely backlogged and on back orders, but definitely worth the wait. Done this in a custom color. It was a red, Firen's red, and then a bright white top, I think from a Toyota Tundra color. Has a little pearl in that red. Interior is a full leather. Also installed a custom rack top. Made it a walkthrough, so you can kind of just push it back, so you don't have to walk all the way around to the back door to finish pushing the rack top in its spot when you wanted to open it. But full custom leather interior, also done by West Coast Classic Interiors. Did a custom panel, but kind of kept with the OJ style, deluxe interior panels, but definitely went with different colors. Has a hidden sound system in there. 3 speakers are behind the dash there. Subwoofer is in the back behind underneath the seat. Just the right amount of chrome, right amount of custom in our opinion. Really clean vehicle. Also a Oregon vehicle. Customers based out of McMinnville. Here's a unique cutaway. A lot of people are wondering why we would possibly cut up a Volkswagen oval, a bug, but just so everyone knows, rest assured, this was a bug that we welded together. I believe there's like 7 or 8 different bugs put together. It came from the boneyard. The center section I think is from a 62. Front nose clip, rear clip is from 2 ovals. Fenders from a different oval. Front hood not even a 56, 57 hood. Um, Wanted to show our interiors off at West Coast Classic Interiors. It was kind of, we noticed going to the shows, no one would ever open the doors or see, look in the inside. So we wanted to open it up so people could kind of see it. And then also have a little photo booth for kids. They love getting in there, taking pictures. Something unique. Doesn't have a motor in there currently. Looking to get that done shortly. Hopefully one day we'll get it so it can drive under its own power. But put a rag top in as well to show again all of our products at the WCCI, which is West Coast Classic Interiors. Even have that windshield cut in half. It was a 1958 panel bus. Really, really difficult to restore panel buses. There's so much panel. With at least the window buses, you have something that could break up on the top. You have windows, but getting a panel bus straight and blocked out, bodywork, metalwork, definitely a lot of car, a lot of metal, a lot of surface. Dove blue, 58 press bumper. Front bumpers are a little different. No safaris. I went with straight, just normal, original front windshields on this build. So, well, that's a wrap. We'll hopefully be at Portland Roadster Show in 2025. Come by and visit us next time.